Hey, what's up everyone? So I got this 4K Ultra HD thumb camera. It's got 150-degree wide angle lens, Wi-Fi connection, and electronic image stabilization. So we're gonna unbox this and take a look at it. Says if you can encounter any problems, hit them up. Inside we got the user manual. Got the 4K camera here, and it looks like that's the charger. Yeah, it's actually magnetic, so it just pops in. As you can see, it connects. That's actually pretty sweet. But you can lock and unlock it, so it's locked and then unlock. Okay, let's see how that works. Port there, and you can actually use it as a mount, so you can have it there and screw that onto a mount. I'm assuming this is the charging cable. So it's got a little bit of a clip here that you can use for like a hat or whatnot. I wonder if this is like magnetic as well. Yep, that is magnetic, and it's strong too, mind you. Like, it's pretty heavy duty. Looks like we got two charging cables, two different types. There's a USB and then this other type here. Comes with another magnetic screw-on adapter, as you can see, so that can screw onto your tripod or whatnot. But I like the fact that it has this clip-on for your hat, so you can get like a point of view. And it also has this necklace that you wear around your neck, and you can have it underneath your shirt, and then that, I believe, connects as well. Yep, as you can see there, heavy duty magnet. All right, let's see what's here. I think it does come with an SD card. Let's see here. Yep, it does in fact come with an SD card. So that's definitely handy. 64 gigabytes, as you can see. It just goes right into there, and it's got the little charging port, a little cover. And let's see if this turns on right out the bat without even having to charge it. Yeah, there we go. So I'm wondering if clicking it is a button to see what it does. All right, let's read the instructions. Long press is to power on and off the camera. So if we hold that, it should turn it off. And we can turn it back on. In video mode, start/stop video and recording, a short press. A double tap in video mode turns on or off Wi-Fi. It says red on, camera is charging. Blue on, Wi-Fi is ready. Green on, the camera is on, ready to start recording. And green flashing means the camera is recording video. And there's a camera lock. So let's try this out. See how it goes. So long press to turn on and off. And now the camera is ready to start recording. So I guess we tap it. So now it is actually officially recording. Yep, it's recording. And then you tap it again to stop video recording. That's what it says. Let's see here. Green on. Green flashing, the camera is recording. Okay, that's Wi-Fi. It might take a little bit to get used to. That's a charging port right there that we can take that off. All right, so like I said, you can just wear the necklace, pop that on there like so. But if you want to be discreet, you can put it underneath and it will still connect. As you can see, it's on my shirt. Looks pretty good. I might want to try this skateboarding, which would be pretty cool. All right, we're going to turn that on. So now the camera's on, and tap it once more to start recording. All right, so I did read the instructions, and it says that you can download an app to use on your phone so you can check it out, which is pretty sweet. But yeah, this is pretty rad so far, the 4K thumb camera. This is what it comes with: the box, the clips, the two chargers, a necklace, a mount, and the camera itself with the charging. And I like that it's super magnetic. So yeah, it's gonna have to see how the quality is on the editing. And so far, really good product, but we'll see how good the video quality is and see if it is 4K Ultra HD. But yeah, so far from what I can tell, pretty awesome, but we're gonna have to see how the quality is in that dark setting, as well as when walking around and see the point of view. It does say wide, so we'll find out. But yeah, let me know your thoughts and comments about this in the comments below. Let me know what you'd like to see me try and test out with this 4K Ultra HD thumb camera. I really like it. It's really discreet. It just kind of clips on, and it's not too bad.
Baby jumper sleeping.
Alright, so I'm doing a true test out here in the urban scenery. I'll plug this on my shirt and skate down the street and see how it works. it, hold it. Pretty well. Just see how the quality of the video is and the sound. But yeah, pretty sweet. You. I don't know why that's going to. Also, like this video and click that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe. God bless you all. Take care and peace out.